If you're miserable enough to watch and listen to this report on punk, you.
Because I'm a punk rocker.
You.
Yeah! God take the queen. We mean